Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Creating Funneries. Fun Memories. Come, today we are on a trip to create one more beautiful memory with all of you. So today we are driving to Al Rams in Ras Al Khaimah. After the drive, we reached here, Al Ram Harnish. Al Ram's Corniche was very beautiful. On one side, there were so many rides for kids where all the kids were having so much fun, and after that, there was a little sand area and then the pathway for the Corniche. Here comes the best part of being on the Corniche at this time. The beautiful view of the sunset and this beautiful and stunning views of the sea which was surrounded by mountains. It's so calm and peaceful over here, and the views are just stunning. Sunsets are the proof that endings can sometimes be beautiful too. So when we came over here, we came to know that over here pearl farming is very popular and they have a very good trips for that. Though we came to know about this late, so we couldn't experience this, but I will tell you like how is this pearl farming. The pearl farm is on the sea in the floating structure called pontoon. It is open from visitors from Saturday to Thursday and the experience can be from 2 hours to 4 hours. The timings for the morning tour are from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the evening tour are from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So these were two mini food vans in the parking lot of the Corniche. So as we decided to go for a boat ride, the speedboat ride, you won't believe me what cost we got it at. It was so cheap and it was an ultimate experience. It was just 50 dirhams for all of us. Just look at the beautiful views around it. It's an area surrounded by the mountains. And we could even see little fog over there. I don't know it was because of the sunset or what, but it was so relaxing, so nice, so beautiful. And the breeze on your face was amazing. I can't explain it to all of you how it felt like, feeling that breeze on coming on your face in the speedboat. So this is all that we did on our trip to Al Rams Cornish. There are other areas also nearby, which is one of it is Al Rams Beach, which is very popular, and the second is the Pink Lake that recently got very popular. Though we couldn't cover it this time, but next time for sure we will go there also. So if you enjoyed this trip with us, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.